Hello everyone. So today I have a special guest on my channel. I have Mayank Bhaiya, who's a candidate master from Code Forces and the best competitive programmer from my campus. So Mayank Bhaiya, would you like to say hello?
Hey guys, yeah, I'm Mayank and yeah, given a basic intro. And I would say to ignore my background, I am sitting in my basement right now, setting up my temporary office. So yeah, that's it.
And also, what I didn't mention, he's been to ICBC regionals 5 times and has been to the West Asia continent finals, and is currently employed at Amazon, right?
Yeah, okay. We
Yeah.
can skip the formal intros.
Yeah. Okay.
Blah blah blah.
So
Let's get into it.
so there's a lot of talk about ICBC these days. This time ICBC is happening on Code Drills, the online round. And so I'd like to talk about ICBC, and I think even you're involved in the problem setting panel on Code Drills for ICBC, right?
Yeah, a little bit of involvement is there. A few, maybe one or two problems and majorly testing and stuff. So yeah, that's a nice experience.
Okay, so yeah. So I want to ask you first, like, would you like to tell what is ICBC and why do you think it's important for those who don't know much about it?
Yeah, okay, let's just talk about what is ICPC first. So ICPC is basically International Collegiate Programming Championship, hence the ICPC,
Yeah.
and it is basically a coding competition between teams of various colleges. You need to be in a college to participate,
Yeah.
and it teams from across the world participate in this. And the way they have actually structured this competition is that not only the top tier colleges, but every college is involved in it.
Yeah.
So that actually, creates a very vast network of programmers. Rather than they could always take the best stream from the top institutes and completely ignore the lower ones. But no, they do give priority to every college.
Yeah.
So that is about ICPC. And about the importance, I would say it is a very subjective question. It is it is it is actually a game of passion. Like
Yeah.
people do ICPC because they should be very passionate about it. There are some people who say people do ICPC for placements and stuff. Of course, it helps with your placements and whatnot. But more than that, it's about the passion that you have. Because if you are doing it from the mindset of getting placed, it's very hard to reach heights in this.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about the importance. Yeah.
And also, I would like to mention our campus hosts the ICPC regionals, right? For
Yeah. So that is, I just forgot to mention that as well. Like that is one of the best things that I got to know when I came to my college. So I had no idea about ICPC programming in my first year, and I got to know that we host the largest regionals in the entire world by the number of participation and stuff. So that is just epic. Volunteering in these regionals have led to me meeting a lot of people who are at some good positions in the
yeah.
industry, making contacts, meeting a lot of people. That's the best part of it.
Okay. And so the first step of getting to ICBC is making the team, right? So how would you suggest someone to get the perfect team for the best, for performing well in ICBC?
Right. So it involves a bit of trial and error things where
Yeah.
first thing is you get to know about yourself. You identify your strengths and your weaknesses, and then you choose teammates which would perfectly they would seamlessly merge with you.
Yeah.
They should complement your skill set. So let's say there are, let's say, four factors I would consider. Let's say A, B, C, D, and D. If I am good at A and B, it is a very good thing if my teammate is good in C and D.
Yeah.
So we would be able to help each other. And apart from this, you should also mentally know each other, not just in the skill level. You should be at a good agreement. You should have always land up in good agreements. What happens is sometimes there is a problem given, and once you start discussing the solution, rather than getting to the solution, you start arguing about certain things.
Yeah.
So you need to have the team chemistry and that perfect match of the skill set as well.
Yeah. Okay. And so, how would you suggest someone to prepare for ICPC? After getting the team together, we have to prepare, right? So, how would you suggest someone to prepare who has never been to ICPC before?
Right. So that's the thing. Like the more regionals you give, the more confident you get, the more you grow. But so this is, I would say, disadvantage for colleges like IITs, big colleges. What happens is there the coding culture is so strong that the first time you get into a regional, it's already fourth year.
Yeah.
And if you're exceptionally good, maybe by the third year, but not before that. So what happens is, with me, what happened was when I came to Amrita, our coding culture was just properly developing.
Yeah.
So, and for some reason, not a lot of people do competitive programming, and I would say it's not everyone's cup of tea as well. You need to be passionate, as I said. So what the advantage that we had was, we had, let's say, one of our senior teams and one was our team, and we never had to fight for slots. We could just discuss and select which regionals we want to go, and we would like prepare for it, and we would go for that. But whereas if you consider like other top tier colleges, the competition is very hard. But I guess now, since in our college also this culture has developed, the competition has increased there as well. Yeah. So I would just say I was at the right place at the right time.
Yeah. So there's a lot of topics to be covered, right? Like there's so many things to cover. We don't know where the question might come. So how would you suggest like to prepare contest wise?
Right. So what happens is that as you said yourself, there are just too many categories, vast categories. So by doing a lot of contests and practice, and with your first year and second year, you start gaining an overall knowledge of things, and you start, let's take a certain topic of, let's say, DP, and you have done, let's say, 100 problems in that. Now what happens is, the next time you see a problem, you would be able to match, or you would be able to connect it with some previous problem that you have done, and you could tweak that solution a little bit and get to the solution here. So basically, it's a practice game, and how much you can get to know about different algorithms. It's not just knowing the algorithm, but more like applying it to real problems, like you are on various sites. So practice is the key for this, and especially if you have the team with you, and let's say in your same room or something, that's the best thing. Like you can just start practicing a team contest. There are so many contests, I guess, in gym, in the code courses. There's a section called gym. There are a lot of ICPC and other contests like these. Attending those is really helpful.
Okay. So finally, what would you say about your experience with ICPC? Like, how did you prepare, and what was your whole experience with the ICPC thing?
Right. So I think the first time I went for a regionals was in my second year, and that's when we realized where we stand in the country. Where our standing is, like what the different teams are. I guess we had placed rank 22, and that's when we really got motivated. Because there were questions that we could have solved, but we just did not get the intuition at the right time. So we were determined to come back, and I went to regionals in my third and fourth year as well. And yeah, I would say that we did improve. I guess our best rank was 7th in a regionals, which is definitely like not a great deal, but it was for us. Given that we were just budding with our coding culture in our college, like our college also helped us a lot in this matter. Like in this particular matter, they would give us everything that we needed. So, and our seniors were also amazing. So I think it was a very good spot that we were in. And meeting a lot of people was the best part. Like we would meet the setters, we would meet different teams, the top tier teams, and nobody would ignore you. Everyone would include you in discussions and stuff. Staying late nights in the campus and playing games with people all over India, like that's just an amazing experience.
What about your team? Like, how was your team?
Yeah, so my teammates, I had a team initially which was one of my seniors, Nandu, and my permanent teammate Ashwin. He has been my teammate always. So that team was also great. And then since he was a senior, he had to, let's say, leave the college. So then I would say we got Kailash Nath in our team, and that team was just phenomenal. Like we were just so perfect together. I don't think we ever fought on a single occasion. We would, complement each other's idea. If let's say someone came up with a solution, the other would come up with the test cases. And there have been literally places, where Kailash Nath came with a half solution. Ashwin came up with the other half of the solution. We combined, I implemented, and we got it accepted. So those moments were amazing. And we would whenever we used to go to regionals, bonding was always there. We would go sightseeing and stuff, so that was an amazing experience.
Okay. So basically it worked out perfectly, like with the team and all the efforts, right?
Exactly. Right.
Okay. So Mayank Bhaiya, thank you for your time, and I want to say this, I really hope you get to master soon on Code Forces. I would like to see your handle in orange.
Okay. That's the thing. So I should end with this saying that if you are passionate about it and if you're doing it, do not leave the consistency, because that is what has happened with me. I have not been doing regular contests for the past 2-3 months, and just yesterday when I was doing the contest, I couldn't even do a div to B.
Yeah.
and my rating just plummeted down to
Yeah.
very close to
It
expert
happens. It
right now.
happens.
So
It
I
happens.
have to get back. I know it happens. So
Yeah.
rating, I think rating is not the right way to measure, but
Exactly.
okay, that's the trend these days.
Yeah. Okay, Mayank bhaiya. So thank you so much for your
Well,
time.
thanks Ashish for inviting me, and that
Yeah.
was nice talking to you.
Okay, bhaiya.